Hello, this is Kevin with Summit Angel. I want to introduce you to your custom Trello board. Now that you are a partner with Summit Angel and a part of the Summit Angel family, we typically use Trello to help manage our projects. This is a great way for you to visually see what we're working on and working on the projects together in bite-sized pieces. So on this page, everything is broken up by list. These are the different lists. So we have project resources, to do, in progress, roadblock, review, revisions and edits, completed, work requests, and bids. So let's go ahead and talk about a couple of them. The project resource area is where we put any important details that pretty much stays the same, something to refer back to. So for instance, if we end up creating a password sheet for you, we can put a password sheet here and then inside this board give you a link to that information. Or if we're creating tutorial videos for you, we can put all the tutorial video links or tutorial video directories, again, right here so that you have access to it. If we're working on a project for you, and let's say we're designing a logo, we'll create a card that says logo. Maybe we'll create another card because you have an e-commerce page we're working on. And maybe we're updating your landing page. So these are all the items that we mark now as to do for this upcoming project. Once we start working on it, I'll move it over to progress. But within each card, I'll also write details. So maybe I'll write new logo to be in black and white, squared with font as Arial. And of course I could write more specific details, but I'm just trying to create a demonstration. So once I've done that, we could start talking about it. You'll notice that I'll probably create some checklists of our progress for that project. So maybe I'm going to have original design options, round 1, round 2, and then as we go through the project, I'll check things off so that you know exactly where we're at. If you end up needing to talk to any of us at Summit Angel, all you have to do is hit @ and then the person that you're trying to talk to. So if you wanted to get a hold of me, you can do @Kevin_Summit Angel, and then that will give me a notification both in Trello and by email that you are trying to reach out to me. So maybe you're going to say, I like option 1 of the logo. Let's go with that. Now this stays on this Trello cards board, which makes it super convenient in us tracking our progress as we go along. So let's say I have now finished the logo work for you. I'm going to put it into review where I'll let you know that it is time for you to review. And you really like it, there isn't any need of any revisions, and the project is now completed. So I'll write project complete. So this is just a brief overview of how Trello works and how we use it.